I'm a civil litigation attorney, and today we'll be breaking down Drake versus UMG Recordings defamation lawsuit for Kendrick Lamar's song, Not Like Us. I'll be referring to some notes I have on the side here. So in his lawsuit, Drake alleges that UMG intentionally published and promoted Not Like Us, knowing that it contained defamatory statements, alleging that Drake was a pedophile. So what is defamation? The court breaks it down. They say that defamation in New York State is 1, a defamatory statement of fact. Very important language there, we'll return to it later. 2, regarding the plaintiff, here Drake. 3, published to a third party. 4, that the statement was false. Returning to defamatory statement of fact. What is a statement of fact? The court gets into fact versus opinion. The court mentions the First Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, which provides that there is no such thing as a false idea or opinion. The court goes on to say that the New York Constitution provides absolute protection for opinions. So the main issue here is fact versus opinion. In trying to decide between what is fact versus opinion, the court conducts an inquiry through the lens of a reasonable listener. Okay, what would a reasonable listener think in listening to the song? In assessing this reasonable listener inquiry, the court considers several factors. 1, the forum in which the communication was published. 2, the surrounding circumstances. The court spends a lot of time on the forum in which the communication was published. So here, it is a rap song. The court gives an example where it states that a news program or a journalistic piece, that is going to be considered factual to a reasonable listener. However, a rap song is known to be very metaphorical and hyperbolic, and nobody's necessarily thinking that it is seeking to convey factual information. And so the court concludes that no reasonable listener is going to be under the impression that a rap song is seeking to convey factual information. 2, they get into the surrounding circumstances. Again, it is a rap battle. Both parties are exchanging insults and accusations. And so the court says that, hey, an audience, a reasonable listener, is going to anticipate the use of exaggeration and hyperbolic language. All in all, the court says that, look, Not Like Us, it was hyperbolic, opinion, not statement of fact, and so there is no defamation of here. Drake's case was dismissed for that reason. He is appealing it now. What do you guys think? Do you think that a rap song can communicate facts, or is it all just exaggeration, opinion? Was the court right here? Do you think he'll win on his appeal? Put your thoughts below.